It is common to stare at your bank account and feel a knot in your stomach. But escaping the stress of living paycheck to paycheck is less about a six-figure salary and more about the system you use to manage what you already have. Most attempts to fix finances fail because people try to overhaul every habit simultaneously. They cut all spending, build a massive spreadsheet, and inevitably get overwhelmed, quitting within the first week. That overwhelm triggers a psychological defense mechanism known as the ostrich effect. When information makes us uncomfortable, like a credit card statement after a weekend of overspending, our brain decides it is safer to just look away and avoid the stress entirely. But the cost of this avoidance is high. Small, manageable financial leaks are left to snowball in the background until they become a crisis that feels entirely out of your control. Taking control requires a sequential 6-month blueprint. By focusing on one specific goal per month, you bypass these mental roadblocks and slowly eliminate the need for daily willpower. Gather data without judgment. Calculate your 4 specific numbers: net income, fundamental expenses, future you savings, and fund spending. Track every dollar for 30 days to see exactly how much fuels your needs versus what bleeds out through forgotten subscriptions. In month 2, you use that data to build a buffer. Pause non-essential spending and cancel unused services with the single goal of saving exactly 1 month's worth of your fundamental expenses. Think of this aggressive saving sprint as purchasing a shield against unexpected costs. A 1-month buffer allows you to absorb surprise medical bills or car repairs without being forced to use a credit card at 20% interest. Month 3 ends the interest cycle. Rank your debts by interest rate. Any balance above 8% is bad debt. Funnel every extra dollar into these high-interest balances until they hit 0. Then redirect that cash flow to a full emergency reserve. Completing these first 3 steps stops the financial bleeding. By moving out of survival mode and establishing this reserve, you create the stable foundation required to actually build wealth. Month 4 flips the system from defense to offense. Investing doesn't require deep market expertise or complex strategies. It requires consistency and the avoidance of high fee traps. This sequence shows your dollar's path. First, get your full employer match. Next, fill tax-advantaged accounts like a Roth IRA. Finally, let the rest overflow into broad market funds. These average a 10.5% annual return, letting compound interest build wealth automatically. In month 5, you address the other side of the equation, your income. If you have been at the same company for 3 years without a meaningful raise, you are likely underpaid and should either negotiate or explore new opportunities. This chart shows the power of avoiding lifestyle inflation. Secure a raise that adds $400 to your monthly take-home pay, invest that entire amount rather than spending it, and you add $50,000 to your net worth over the next decade. Tying the compounding force of the stock market to an actively growing income provides the essential mathematical fuel needed to pull away from the financial middle of the pack and build real long-term security. Every financial choice you make depletes your willpower, a phenomenon called decision fatigue. If you have to manually decide to save or invest every month, eventually life will get busy and you will default to whatever is easiest. Month 6 removes human error through automation. Set your accounts so when income hits, the system automatically distributes money to bills, savings, and retirement. The remainder flows into an isolated daily spending account. Because your future is handled upstream, you can spend this guilt-free. Financial success isn't about maintaining endless discipline. It is about designing a frictionless system that builds wealth in the background while you focus on living. 6 months from today, you will be in one of 2 places. You can still be navigating the stress of paycheck-to-paycheck panic, or you can be operating an automated financial machine that works without your input. This structural system provides options, time, and the physical breathing room to make life choices based on your preferences rather than desperation. Real wealth is having the power to walk away from any job, relationship, or situation that no longer serves you. Do not try to implement all 6 steps today. Your only job right now is to look at your bank statements and identify your 4 core numbers for month 1. 6 months of focused, repetitive work creates years of financial freedom. Start today, and your future self will thank you.